Hey guys, this is Willie. Just giving a little update on the Colorado. Done a few things and I forgot to update you guys. I've been busy with Christmas and all that good stuff, but as it sits right now, I went ahead and added the extra 1-inch spacer on the front from CCE. So now we have a total of 2 inches up front, and then we did the 1-inch jack on the back. So current setup is a 2-1 lift, still on the 35 KM3s, and I also added the diff drop kit from Level Up suspension to keep the angles happy. But this is how she's looking right now. She's looking good. Still haven't made up my mind on wheels. Ended up getting wheels on the 06 Silverado. That thing got a new set of wheels with new tires and a jack pack. So yeah, that one's been receiving a lot of love. So I need to give a little bit of love to this one now. But yeah, I'm still open to suggestions. I know I posted a few options, but if you know of any wheel that looks cool, that's not stupid expensive, good build quality, give me your options. I'm open. But yeah, like I said, just a quick update on how the truck is looking right now at the moment. I really like this new stance. It just needs some wheels now. Need some wheels and it should be looking good. Oh, and I just ordered LEDs all around for this thing, so they should be here next week. I'll try and make a video of it, at least before and after, or the install. We'll see. But I just want you guys to see how she's looking. Man, that's a good stance right there. She's looking good. You take it there for an alignment. But other than that, she's been doing great. I think I have like 2,500 miles now. Absolutely zero issues with it. Love it. I might keep it even longer than I usually do, because I usually switch out of my vehicle every 6 to 8 months. But this one, I might keep it a little longer. We'll see.